Welcome to the Succulent Home with me, Melissa. If you're new to my channel, stick around. I'm gonna show a haul right now with you guys about what I picked up from Lowe's, and that's what my channel is about. It's about discovering my green thumb with succulents and cactus, but that's not it. I'm also a home decor junkie. So I just moved to my new location and I am redoing my house, decorating and doing some revamping from what the previous owners had, which was beautiful, but you know, anytime you move into a new place, you want to put your own little stamp on it, right? So stay, you're welcome. And if you just joined the Succulent Home, welcome guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for staying. And I appreciate you guys. And for all my OGs out there, I love you. I really do. Y'all been sticking real strong with your girl, you know? Much love, much love. Anyways, but no, I'm just being silly. That's a part of my personality, and that's what I love about the Succulent Home and the whole YouTube community here with succulents and plants. Sometimes we could be a little like peculiar? Yeah, peculiar. I don't want to say weird, but peculiar. You know what I'm saying? Like, we love planty things and we love succulents and talking about all that stuff, you know? And also all about the motivational pot with me videos. Sometimes I just get inspired because that's what nature should do. God's creation should inspire us, not just to make a beautiful arrangement, but it should speak to us about who he truly is, you know, in our lives. And so that's one of the reasons why I gravitated to discovering my green thumb with succulents and cacti. I'm also trying out my green thumb with houseplants. So my collection has grown a little bit more bigger, and I'm so excited to share that new journey with you guys too. Also, I'm a home decor junkie. I really am. I love a good clearance. I love a good deal. And because of that, I'm always like rechanging and redecorating like different places in my home, and I share that here on my channel. But I also like to share how you can incorporate succulents and cacti and like houseplants and like intermingle your home decor, and how it just creates just a beautiful, peaceful environment for you, you know? So that's why people gravitate outside, because it's just like so beautiful. Like I'm outside right now, right? I see nothing but green in front of me, you know? And it's just something about it that just makes you happy and joyful, and I don't know, I just let my light shine. And so because of that, I want to bring that in my house. So don't be afraid to bring in your houseplants or your succulents or certain cacti, you know, especially if you have like bright windows and lighting. Do it. It really will change your mood in your environment that you're in. Okay, let's move on. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to like know when I'm posting videos, because it happens every week. Every week. So, okay, I got a haul from Lowe's for you. It's not that big, but I got 3 small succulents and 3 small succulents and a cacti, but I also ordered these tools that are just out of this world, and you're gonna need to order it. It's from Amazon. I'm not affiliated, but like I said, I share a lot of things with you that it's not like I get paid from. You know what I mean? Like I'm doing it because I'm a girl's girl. I'm a guy's girl. Like I got you. Like if I got something that's working for me, I'm going to share it with you. I don't need nothing in return. All I need to know is that it makes you happy. So comment below if it makes you happy. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, first, look at this one. Look at this succulent. It's a kalanchoe. It's considered a chocolate shoulder. No, not a shoulder, a soldier. A chocolate soldier. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It has like that velvet furry feel to it. You could see why they call it the chocolate soldier, just because of like the chocolate brown, like that dark brown that comes on the tips, but the green is vibrant and beautiful. This is just one unique piece of a specimen succulent family kalanchoe that I don't have, okay? So beautiful. And these were $4.95. $4.95. And that was a good one. These were all $4.95, okay? So sometimes I go through binges where you spend a lot of money, and then other times you're like, okay, I don't want to spend it too much. So $4.95. This next one, beautiful. It's a succulent echeveria, and it's called the Mexican hat. I don't know if you can tell. I love it because it has one right here, has just this very big one right here. But I don't know if you can tell in the video, but right here is like a really dark plum, purple, red, maroon color. I don't know, I'm saying all the colors, but it's like maroonish purple. It's called the Mexican hat. That's the slang word. It's an echeveria pellucida. I think that's how you say it. But look what I got with it. I bought this purple little plastic pot from Home Depot because I felt like it would bring out the edges of that. And I'm only gonna put this in here. I'm not gonna make an arrangement other than showcasing this Mexican hat in here all on its own. And I feel like this with the purple next to like white rocks, like the smaller one, is gonna look really nice. I don't know, I just think that it's gonna be a really nice contrast. That too was $4.95, which I'm glad that I found. The ones that you see me getting in these next ones, I haven't had these specimens, okay? I've always worked with like echeveria ghost plant, I never had that one. And so, or sunburst, I've done a sunburst before, but this one I haven't, so I'm excited about like learning more about her. The next one I never had either. It's the Cocoon plant. It's a senecio haworthi. That's what it says. Okay, I don't know, let me make sure. It's kind of blurry, but it's the Cocoon plant. This too is like a very like whitish mint color. It's very like velvety feeling, but not as velvety as this. Like it's, the texture on this is a little bit more like rough velvet versus this would be considered, to me, to my touch, a smooth velvet. Almost like a creamy fuzz for some reason. I don't know. But it's so cool. I love this. And I don't think, okay, so what I'm wanting to do is not make so many arrangements with these, but more or less pot them individually so I can grow my, green thumb in how to take care of them. You know what I mean? Sometimes I get overly excited. I think we all do it sometimes. And we buy all of these beautiful succulents and then we put them in a big old arrangement, right? And it looks beautiful for like a week or two. And then all of a sudden you're like, okay, wait a minute. Like one's dying, one's doing this, they're not like cohesive in like how they're growing and how they're like thriving. They're just not. And so I feel like this is gonna help teach me if I keep them separate. Okay, so the one and only cactus that I got was this one. Look at all of its glory. It's beautiful. Look at how vibrant it is. It looks like a bunch of pickles. Like a bunch of pickles just like in a pot. And it is a rose quartz. And it is a echinopsis, an echinopsis, probably hybrid. It's a hybrid and it is called rose quartz. And it also says it's between rose, peanut cactus, and a lobia. That's what it says. And it does bloom flowers. It says it's 3 inches. The flowers are to 3 inches in diameter, rose colored, and tinged with purple highlights. Becomes dormant in summer heat, native to the mountainous regions of South America. So it goes dormant during summer heat, which is like the aeoniums. They go real dormant too. So I think I got it right in time, because what does that mean? That means it's gonna grow really beautiful during fall and this coming winter. At least that's what I'm hoping. Do you see this? It must have bloomed already. But I love that it has all these little offshoots already. So it's easy probably for me to propagate from here, which is another reason why I want to keep them in their own like pots, you know? Okay, so I want to show you these tools that I got. I got them off Amazon, and these are tools that you would use for an aquarium. One of the things that I needed the most, or people even use these for like bonsai, but it's under the aquarium. I didn't look under like bonsai. They were under like the aquarium tools. So it comes in this little pouch. I believe it was like $11.90 something. No, maybe $14. And you get all of these tools. Sometimes dealing with arrangements and cleaning up things, you need to get into the really small crevices, and the smaller tweezers they don't do it. So it comes with 4 of these tools. Do you see how long these are? Look at how long these are tweezers. Look at how long these tweezers are. The scissors, and they all come nicely packaged. I got the black, it's anti-rust. So this is the reason why I got these ones and not the silver ones, because supposedly they're anti-rust. So if I need to get into something and cut, I can without really disturbing the whole arrangement, or maybe getting pricked by a cactus or of some sort. It comes with this, which this is usually to help like move the rocks around that's in the aquarium, which I think is like really cool. But to me, it could like help me with the soil getting in there, and it's double-ended, you know what I mean? Patting soil down. I don't know, you could just use a lot of stuff for that. And then the other tweezers. So you get an angle tweezer. Let me take these off so you can see. An angle tweezer, and you get a straight tweezer, which is really cool. Now, I heard Emily from the Succulent Greenhouse, she was doing a walkthrough, and I like that it comes with a pouch. She was doing a walkthrough of her garden, and she talked about like how she needed longer tweezers. And I was like, that is so true. Like, I need those. Okay, so here you go. Here's the long, comes with 2 sets. So easy to pinch. But let's see. Okay, so if I had this right here, and I was just going to, yeah, there you go. So if I'm dealing with a cactus, and I'm gonna have to get like real in there, right? Like, see all that in there? My fingers would be too thick for it. But look at that. Look at that. Let me just take this off. Okay. Should have been able to like cut. Okay, let me move this down. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you see all of it in there. But if I'm gonna be all up in the camera. But if like you need to get to it, look at how great these work. So cool. So cool. And it's something that if you don't have, you need in your life, okay? Look at that again. Look at how easy that was. And it's long. You could grip it higher if you need to, or grip it longer. Either way, this is like something you need in your life when you're dealing with like, especially cactus. Okay, and look at how wide it can go. So if I need to get a cactus, right, I could even use these to like pick up. So these are good. I got them off of Amazon. I feel like it was a good score. If you are someone like me who likes to just have things on hand, go and get it. I'm gonna try to see what link it is and put it below. I really need to figure out like an Amazon store. Like, people have these things called Amazon stores, and they put everything that they like and they like buy, and they keep it on the Amazon store, and then it's like hit the link. Well, your girl a little old school, okay? Like, I might look young, but you guys, like, I don't know everything that, like, you know, a lot of the younger people know, you know, like, and I shouldn't even say it like that, because there's a lot of like people that are my age and older who are very like tech savvy, you know, and it's very impressive. But what I should say is, at my age, I haven't made the time to learn all those little like easy ways of how to just post a link and put it below. So usually I just like type everything out, you know? So I'm gonna get it anyways. At the end of the day, it's on Amazon. So if it ain't in the description below, that's just because I couldn't do it. All right? Don't hate me. Don't be mad. Don't be frustrated like Melissa. Make it easier for us. I'm just gonna tell you, it's on Amazon. Aquarium tools. Okay? /bonsai. I think they're even bonsai tools you could use. Anyways, but these are aquarium. Well, you guys, I hope you liked this little Lowe's haul. It was short but sweet. I loved everything that I was able to pick out to share with you guys. And I can't wait to pot some of these things up and you guys see exactly how they do along with me. Well, until the next video, guys, God bless. Bye.